Welcome back to Consumer Heaven, the ultimate destination for smart shoppers who want the best products at the best prices. Black Friday 2025 is officially live, and today I'm bringing you 20 absolutely insane Amazon deals on must-have sports accessories. We're talking massive price drops, up to 60% off, on everything from golf training gear and laser rangefinders to performance equipment, travel bags, gloves, and pro-level accessories. These are real, time-sensitive Black Friday steals, and a lot of them won't stay in stock for long. So if you're serious about upgrading your game without wasting a single dollar, this is the video you do not want to skip. Before we dive in, check the links in the description for live prices and real-time availability so you can check the latest prices and full specs anytime. All right, let's jump straight into the deals. Number 1. Portable Golf Ball Cleaner. The portable golf ball cleaner is a game changer when it comes to maintaining the cleanliness and performance of your golf balls. This compact, easy-to-use tool allows you to clean your balls on the go, ensuring they're free from dirt, grass, and debris during every round. Whether you're on the course or at the range, this fits easily into your bag and can be used one-handed for quick cleanups between shots. Keeping your balls pristine helps maintain their flight path, spin, and accuracy so you can hit your shots with confidence. Its durable design ensures it won't wear out easily, making it a long-lasting investment for golfers looking to improve their game. If you want to keep your balls in top condition and optimize performance, the portable golf ball cleaner is a must-have tool in your golf bag. Number 2. 10 by 7 foot golf practice net. The 10 by 7 foot golf practice net is a fantastic tool for golfers who want to practice their shots at home. This large, durable net provides plenty of space to catch your shots, allowing you to focus on perfecting your swing without worrying about retrieving balls. Whether you're working on your drive, iron shots, or chipping, this net can handle it all. It's made from strong, weather-resistant material that ensures long-lasting use both indoors and outdoors. The easy setup and portability make it perfect for setting up in your backyard, garage, or even indoors if space allows. If you're looking to improve your swing or work on your consistency, the 10 by 7 foot golf practice net is an essential training aid that'll help you refine your game in any weather or season. Number 3. Indoor Golf Putting Mat. If you want to improve your putting skills without leaving the house, the indoor golf putting mat is the ideal solution. This high-quality mat simulates real putting greens, helping you work on your stroke alignment and distance control. The mat comes with a realistic turf surface and built-in target holes, providing you with everything you need to practice like a pro. Whether you're working on short putts or long-range shots, the indoor golf putting mat helps you build muscle memory and consistency. It's also easy to roll up and store when not in use, making it perfect for limited space. If you're serious about improving your putting game, this mat is a must-have addition to your home practice setup. Number 4. Stripe Bird Golf Glove Holder. The Stripe Bird Golf Glove Holder is a clever and practical solution to keep your golf glove in top condition. No more worrying about your gloves getting dirty or stretched out in your bag. This holder securely holds your glove in place, ensuring it remains dry and free from wear when you're not using it. Its compact, lightweight design makes it easy to attach to your bag or belt loop, and it's designed to fit most standard-size golf gloves. By allowing your glove to breathe, it prevents odors and keeps it fresh for longer use. If you're tired of tossing your glove in your bag and want to prolong its lifespan, the Stripe Bird Golf Glove Holder is a convenient accessory that helps you keep your glove in pristine condition between rounds. Number 5. Golf Club Cleaning Bag. The Golf Club Cleaning Bag is an essential accessory for maintaining your clubs and ensuring peak performance. This practical tool allows you to easily clean your clubs between rounds, removing dirt and debris that could affect your shots. Its portable design makes it easy to carry around in your bag so you can quickly clean your clubs before or after each hole. The bag features a durable construction with separate compartments for your clubs, so you can keep them organized and ready to use at any time. Keeping your clubs clean ensures they maintain their grip and function properly, making the Golf Club Cleaning Bag a must-have tool for every golfer who values their equipment and performance. Number 6. Eyeline Golf Putting Mirror. The Eyeline Golf Putting Mirror is a professional-grade tool designed to help you perfect your putting stroke. This easy-to-use mirror provides immediate feedback on your alignment, stroke path, and posture, allowing you to make the necessary adjustments for more accurate putts. The mirror is large enough to provide a full view of your head, eyes, and hands, so you can ensure your body is in the proper position before making your stroke. It's ideal for golfers looking to improve their putting consistency and accuracy, and it's compact enough to use at home or on the course. If you want to lower your putting scores and eliminate bad habits, the Eyeline Golf Putting Mirror is a game-changing tool for improving your short game. Number 7. Golf Ball Retriever Tool. Golf Ball Retriever Tool. The Golf Ball Retriever Tool is a simple yet essential gadget for any golfer. This tool allows you to easily retrieve balls from water hazards, bushes, or any other difficult-to-reach places on the course. Its lightweight, extendable design lets you reach those hard-to-grab balls without having to leave the course or ruin your shoes on the process. The Retriever's sturdy build ensures it can handle the weight of your golf balls without bending or breaking. It's compact enough to store in your bag, making it easy to take along on every round. If you're tired of losing balls in tricky spots, the Golf Ball Retriever Tool is an affordable and practical solution that can save you time, effort, and money. Number 8. The Swami Kiss Golf GPS. The Swami Kiss Golf GPS is a small but powerful GPS device that provides accurate course information to help you make smarter shots. It gives you precise yardage to the front, middle, and back of the green, as well as distances to hazards, bunkers, and doglegs. This device is preloaded with thousands of courses, so you can use it anywhere without needing a data connection. The Swami Kiss Golf GPS has a simple, user-friendly interface that makes it easy to navigate even for golfers who aren't tech-savvy. It's compact, lightweight, and features a long-lasting battery, making it perfect for golfers who want a reliable, budget-friendly GPS device. If you're looking to improve your course management and strategy, the Swami Kiss Golf GPS is a great tool to add to your gear. Number 9. Lieben Men's Golf Pants. The Lieben men's golf pants are designed to provide both comfort and performance on the course. Made from lightweight, breathable fabric, these pants offer excellent mobility, allowing you to swing freely without restriction. The moisture-wicking material helps keep you cool and dry even on hot days, while the stylish design ensures you look great while playing. The pants feature a flexible waistband for added comfort and are equipped with several pockets for your tees, ball markers, and other small accessories. Whether you're playing in a casual round or a competitive tournament, the Lieben men's golf pants provide the perfect combination of functionality, style, and comfort, making them an essential piece of golf attire. Number 10. Gyson Golf Alignment Sticks. The Gyson Golf Alignment Sticks are a must-have tool for golfers looking to improve their alignment and swing mechanics. These lightweight, durable sticks can be placed on the ground to help you visualize the correct stance, target line, and swing path. They're perfect for practicing your alignment during range sessions and can be used to ensure you're consistently lining up shots properly on the course. The alignment sticks are versatile and can be used for various drills to help you improve your ball striking and consistency. Compact and portable, they fit easily in your bag and can be used anywhere. If you want to eliminate bad habits and improve your accuracy, the Gyson Golf Alignment Sticks are a simple and effective training aid to elevate your performance. Number 11. AI Rechargeable Hand Warmers. These AI rechargeable hand warmers are an absolute lifesaver for chilly early morning tee times. I love how quickly they heat up and how evenly they distribute warmth across both hands, making it easier to maintain a relaxed grip throughout the round. They're lightweight, pocket-friendly, and designed with adjustable heat levels so you're always in control of your comfort. The rechargeable battery lasts surprisingly long, which means no more disposable warmers. I especially appreciate how the ergonomic shape fits naturally in the hand, creating steady warmth without feeling bulky. If you're someone who struggles with cold fingers on the course, this tool makes a huge difference. It helps your swing stay smooth, your feels stay sharp, and your confidence stay high no matter the weather. A truly underrated accessory that improves your entire golfing experience. Number 12.
Dormy Golf Rangefinder Slope. The Dormy Golf Rangefinder Slope is one of the most reliable tools I've used for dialing in precise distances. It gives fast, accurate readings with impressive clarity, helping you choose the right club for every shot. The slope feature is a total bonus because it calculates elevation changes automatically, making uphill and downhill shots much easier to judge. I like how intuitive the design is: simple buttons, clean optics, and a sturdy grip that feels great in the hand. Whether you're playing a familiar course or tackling a brand new layout, this rangefinder takes the guesswork out of your decision-making. It's durable, easy to store, and delivers pro-level accuracy without the complicated learning curve. If you want to instantly improve your course strategy, reduce mistakes, and shoot lower scores, this rangefinder is absolutely worth having in your golf bag. Number 13. Yamato Golf Wedge Set. The Yamato Golf Wedge Set offers an incredible blend of control, spin, and feel for every short game situation. I love how each wedge is crafted with precision-milled grooves that give you consistent spin whether you're hitting a crisp pitch, a delicate chip, or a high-flying bunker shot. The weight distribution feels balanced and confidence-boosting, especially around the greens. For players who want to elevate their short game without paying premium prices, this set is an awesome value. The shafts feel responsive, the grips are comfortable, and the finish gives them a sleek, premium appearance. What really stands out is how forgiving they are, making it easier to pull off cleaner, more controlled shots. Even if you're not a wedge expert, these wedges bring predictable performance, better accuracy, and more versatility to your game, helping you save strokes where it matters most. Number 14. Callaway Weatherspan Glove. Callaway Weatherspan Glove is a fantastic all-weather option that keeps your grip stable and comfortable during every swing. I like how soft and flexible the material feels while still offering a strong, tacky grip that performs well even in humid or slightly wet conditions. The glove breathes nicely, reducing sweat buildup, and the durability is excellent compared to many other gloves in its price range. It molds naturally to your hand, giving you a snug fit without feeling restricted. Whether you're practicing on the range or playing a full 18, this glove helps maintain consistent control from start to finish. The reinforced palm and stretch zones provide long-lasting support where you need it most. For golfers looking for a dependable glove that performs year-round and feels great from day one, this is easily one of the best choices. Number 15. Golf Green Reader Marker. The Golf Green Reader Marker is a clever little tool that gives you a better understanding of slope and break on the putting surface. I really enjoy how simple it is to use. Just place it down and it quickly reveals subtle contours you might overlook with the naked eye. It's lightweight, pocket-friendly, and perfect for improving green reading skills during practice sessions. What makes this tool so helpful is how it teaches you to visualize breaks more clearly, which leads to more confident and accurate putts on the course. The durable design means you can use it regularly without worrying about wear. If you're serious about sharpening your short game and lowering your putts per round, this marker is an invaluable training aid. It's one of those small accessories that delivers big benefits, making your putting routine more consistent and effective. Number 16. Himmel Golf Travel Bag. Himmel Golf Travel Bag is a must-have if you travel with your clubs. I appreciate how durable and secure it feels with thick padding that protects your driver, irons, and putter during flights or long car trips. The heavy-duty material holds up well against scuffs and rough handling, giving you peace of mind when your gear is out of sight. I also like the spacious interior, which fits most full-size golf bags with room to spare for accessories. The handles and wheels make transportation smooth and comfortable, even through crowded airports. This bag is perfect for golfers who value convenience, protection, and reliability. It ensures your clubs arrive safely, letting you focus on your game instead of worrying about damage. For frequent travelers or golf vacation lovers, this travel bag is an excellent, dependable investment. Number 17. Club Scrub Golf Cleaning Bag. The Club Scrub Golf Cleaning Bag is one of the most useful accessories I've added to my gear. It keeps your club spotless, which directly improves spin, consistency, and control. I love how portable and easy to use it is. Just add a little water, clip it to your golf bag, and you're ready to clean clubs anytime.
The microfiber interior is gentle but effective, and the waterproof exterior ensures no moisture leaks out while you walk the course. Clean grooves really do make a difference, especially with irons and wedges. And this tool helps you maintain top performance shot after shot. It's durable, lightweight, and designed for golfers who want a quick, hassle-free cleaning solution. Whether you're preparing for a key shot or finishing a round, this cleaning bag keeps your equipment in peak condition. Number 18. Smart Ball Golf Trainer. The Smart Ball Golf Trainer is one of the most effective tools for improving your swing mechanics. By placing the ball between your forearms, it trains proper arm connection and helps you maintain a more compact, powerful swing. I love how quickly it reveals flaws. If you separate your arms too early or get out of sync, the ball drops instantly. It's simple yet incredibly impactful for fixing common issues like casting, scooping, or losing width. Whether you're practicing chips, pitches, or full swings, this trainer builds muscle memory that translates directly to the course. It's lightweight, easy to pack, and great for players at any level looking to build better fundamentals. With consistent use, you'll notice smoother tempo, improved accuracy, and increased control. It's an affordable and highly effective addition to your training routine. Number 19. Stripe Bird Magnetic Golf Clip. The Stripe Bird Magnetic Golf Clip is a smart accessory that keeps your rangefinder or other small gear easily accessible during your round. I love how strong the magnet is. It attaches securely to your cart or clubs without slipping, even over bumpy terrain. It's designed with golfers in mind, making it quick and convenient to grab what you need without fumbling through pockets. The sleek profile doesn't get in the way, and the durable build holds up well in different weather conditions. If you're someone who misplaces small gear or hates digging around mid-round, this tool is a huge help. It streamlines your routine, improves pace of play, and just makes your setup feel more organized. Simple, effective, and surprisingly useful, this clip is a great upgrade for any golfer who values convenience on the course. Number 20. iLine Golf Balance Rod. iLine Golf Balance Rod is a fantastic training tool for developing better posture, alignment, and weight distribution throughout your swing. I appreciate how straightforward it is. Stand on the rod and instantly feel whether your balance is centered or drifting. It's great for eliminating sway, building a stable base, and improving the overall consistency of your motion. Using it regularly helps you groove a more controlled, repeating swing that holds up under pressure. The rod is lightweight, portable, and easy to set up at the range or at home. For golfers who struggle with balance issues or want to fine-tune their fundamentals, this tool delivers clear, meaningful feedback. It's simple but extremely effective for building a more athletic and efficient swing. A must-have for improving stability and striking the ball more cleanly. That wraps up today's Black Friday sports accessory deals from Consumer Heaven. If even one of these tools helps you play better, travel easier, or train smarter, then this video did its job. Remember, Black Friday prices change fast, and some of these deals may disappear without warning. So check the links in the description right now to lock in the best discounts while they're still live. If this video helped your buying decision, hit the like button and let me know in the comments which deal you're grabbing today. I read every comment. For more real-world gear testing, money-saving deals, and no-nonsense sports reviews, make sure you're subscribed to Consumer Heaven and have the bell turned on. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.